Hello everybody, today's tutorial will be going over how to swap the APE NFT token on the Pancakeswap. It's going to be a very simple and a very straightforward tutorial. It's pretty easy and it won't take any of your time, so basically try to stick around to the end of this video. 2 minutes of your time, you won't regret it whatsoever. And one more thing, make sure you pay attention in this video because a lot of people get scammed, a lot of people get buying fake tokens that are not even related to the real token. So as you can see right here, we're doing the tutorial for APE NFT. The first thing we're gonna go and do is make sure to head to pancakeswap.finance. Make sure the URL is HTTPS and it's pretty safe. So after that, you have to connect, or you have to have a wallet that's supported by Pancakeswap, which is going to be any of these wallets. So if you are using Binance, for example, I really suggest you go Binance wallets. If you're using Coinbase, you get the idea. But in this tutorial, I'll be using MetaMask as it is the pretty most easier one. Click on MetaMask. After that, make sure you have MetaMask downloaded. Just Google MetaMask and you'll be able to download it in 2 clicks. Pretty simple. After that, make sure you import the Binance Smart Chain. You'll find a video about that in our channel. And after that, make sure to send some BNB using this address right here. Not the same address, obviously. It's gonna be your own address, and send some BNB to this token or BUSD or whatever. Now head back to Pancakeswap again. Click on trade. Click on swap. You'll be greeted with this home page. After that, you are going to be heading to the last step, which is going to be pretty simple. Head to CoinMarketCap, under more, click it, and you'll find BNB Smart Chain. Copy the address, come back to Pancakeswap and click on the cake right here, which is going to be, we are going to swap from BNB to this token right here. Click right here, paste, import the token, click I understand. This is, as I said, where some people get scammed because they import a bad token. So I'm gonna just hit max and I'm gonna trade my BNB for the APE NFT and click swap right here. But yeah, with that said, see you guys in another video and peace.